Good evening, everybody. I'm Dr. Manish Jha, and this is my family. Mrs. Soma Jha, my daughter, Akarshita Jha, my son, Pranav Jha.
My friend called me and she was like, don't always trust these interior designers. They give you something else and then you will get something else. And I was very scared.
मैंने और मेरी बेटी ने मिलकर बहुत सारा सर्च किया और हमें बार बार ड्रीम विजन के ही सारे वीडियोस पसंद आ रहे थे.
For various reasons why I chose Mr. Deepak, because he is one person who has always picked up your phone on the first or the second ring. The living room per se is my most favorite. There, you can see it is littered. I mean, it's got furniture from end to end types, but yet everything is so neatly tucked in and so neatly placed that there is no compromise on space. There is ample space to move around and yet enjoy all those which has been placed inside this room. It was on 26th of February 2024 this year that finally I decided, yes, I want to start the interiors of my house. And it is that time that I had come down to Calcutta again and I handed over the keys to Mr. Deepak. And there were various reasons why I chose Mr. Deepak, because he is one person who has always picked up your phone on the first or the second ring. Okay, all other interiors may miss your call, may subsequently call you at other times. He is one person, if you call him, with rest be assured in the first or the second ring, the phone will be picked. So that itself gave me a very kind of a promising kind of a response that this individual is worth relying upon. So every time I used to call him, howsoever busy he may be, he will definitely pick up the phone. So that was the initial good thing which bonded us together. And once I met him physically in November, and thereafter his designs were really very impressive. And whatever things we had in our mind, we translated and it was immediately understood by him. It was no kind of rocket science that we had to explain everything in great details. Okay, this particular thing should be here and that should be there and this should be this height and that should be this broad. Nothing. I mean, you needed to give your idea to him and he was just like a supercomputer understanding everything. And I mean, immediately within 24 hours, the design picture was ready. Okay. So that was initial very kind of a promising footstep that we took, and thereafter from 26th February to till date is when I have taken over the flat, and not a single day of repent, not a single day did I do something wrong in choosing him, or had I chosen someone else I could have got a still better kind of a interior design as on today. Whatever he promised, he has delivered on ground, absolutely scale to scale, like luminosity to luminosity, everything as per his promise, no falling short on his promises.
स्टडी टेबल और मेरे रूम का रेटिंग 10/10 है।
The space economy. I mean, we kept adding things कि ये शुरैक बना दीजिए, ये center table बना दीजिए, ये बना दीजिए. But believe you me, everything has been made and yet so nicely fitted, snugly fitted, and with so much of ample space all around. You can easily walk around, you can approach every kind of furniture from every corner. There is no issue on space.
जब हम लोगों ने इंटीरियर डिज़ाइनर सर्च करना शुरू किया तो यूट्यूब पे बहुत सारे डिज़ाइनर्स का वीडियोस था। मैंने और मेरी बेटी ने मिलकर बहुत सारा सर्च किया और हमें बार बार ड्रीम विज़न के ही सारे वीडियोस पसंद आ रहे थे। इंटीरियर था, जो कलर यूज़ किया था रूम्स के लिए, सब कुछ वही पसंद आ रहा है। तो फाइनली हमने एक दो बार दूसरे को ट्राई किया, बट फाइनली वी केम बैक टू ड्रीम विज़न। तो मेरी बेटी को भी बहुत पसंद था, स्पेशली सारे उनके कलर सेट्स, वॉलपेपर्स, जो भी डिज़ाइंस थे। तो फाइनली वी डिसाइडेड दैट वी विल गो विथ ड्रीम विज़न। उसके बाद जब इंटीरियर एक बार स्टार्ट हुआ, जो भी हमने मॉडिफिकेशंस चाहा, जो भी चेंजेस चाहा, दीपक जी ने सारे चेंजेस को बहुत अच्छे से किया। जितनी बार बोल रहे थे ये चेंज करना है, कलर चेंज करना है या डिज़ाइन चेंज करना है, कभी भी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं हुआ। सारे जैसा हम लोगों ने चाहा था। एंड फाइनली जब ये घर हैंड ओवर हुआ एंड वी केम, सब कुछ वैसा ही था जैसा उन्होंने वीडियो में हमें दिखाया था। इनिशियली 3D भी उन्होंने बना के दिया था, बिल्कुल वही, और सारे मॉडिफिकेशन के साथ। बेस्ट पार्ट मुझे अपना किचन बहुत अच्छा लगा। जैसा चाहिए था मुझे बिल्कुल वैसे ही किचन है। सारे उसके कबर्ड्स और यूटिलिटी एरिया में भी जो भी चेंजेस थे, मस्कीटो नेट एंड मतलब जो भी चाहिए एक कंफर्टेबल रहने के लिए हाउस में, वो सारी फैसिलिटीज़ के साथ बहुत ही अच्छा था।
The house, I was happy, but along with that I was very nervous, very anxious, because your friends are always there to scare you. And my friend called me and she was like, don't always trust these interior designers. They give you something else and then you will get something else. And I was very scared. But once I entered the house, seeing that euphoric aura, I was extremely impressed. So once I entered my room, I was like, yes, this was what I was expecting and this was exactly what I got. So for me, it's a 10 on 10. It's the best for me.
heartiest thanks to Mr. Deepak. May he go very long and may he rise very, very high in this profession of interior designing. Love to see him get much orders, even more than this year, and let him rise to a national level figure.
मुझे ओवरऑल बहुत ही अच्छा लगा है और मैं 9.5 दूंगी दीपक जी को, बिकॉज इज ऑलमोस्ट परफेक्ट, बिल्कुल सब कुछ, कोई इश्यूज नहीं है.
And coming to me, look, as they say in mythology, perfect is only God. You cannot be perfect, humans cannot be perfect. So just keeping that thing in mind and keeping the honor of God supreme. So I'll not give him 10 out of 10, but I'll give him a 9.8 out of 10.